Tiniyak ng militar na walang masamang sangkap na makakasira sa katawan ng tao ang natagpuang kulay orange na unang tinawag na US spy drone na nakuhang nakalutang sa karagatan ng Masbate kamakailan. Ayon kay Colonel Arnulfo Marcelo Burgos, ang opisyal na tagapagsalita ng AFP, ang nasabing drone ay pag-aari ng US Navy batay sa nakatatak dito na mayroong pang USA logo. Ito ay posibleng ginamit nila sa kanilang military exercises sa Dagat Pasipiko at tinangay na lamang ng malakas na current ng dagat ang drone papasok sa Pilipinas.
And it was found out that it's safe for transport. So what we did is to get the custody from the local government unit in Masbate to the Philippine Navy for its safekeeping and proper disposition. So we initially assessed the drone. It is found to be safe. So we transported that already to our Navy EOD team that went to the area, and it is now in the custody of the Naval Forces Southern Tagalog based in Legazpi City. So they are now currently assessing this drone, and coordinations are now being made for the turnover and disposition of this US Navy aerial target drone.
Ang paliwanag ni Colonel Arnulfo Marcelo Burgos sa Campo Aguinaldo. Yan ang DZRH News, RH 911, Bing Formento, naglilingkod sa pagbabalita.